Alright, you know how to make it look cool for y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Bella. So welcome back to a Saturday in the lab. So it's not required that I come on weekends, it's just my personal choice. One part about my job is I do a little mentorship. So I was on a Zoom call for almost like 2 hours this morning, but I don't mind. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get into making some media for my algae stock. So this is the algae growing room. So these are all the algae strains that we have. So a big part of my job is to maintain them, make sure they don't die. So what I'm going to be doing today, when I say make media, I'm going to be making some new slants. This is what I mean, you know, it's agarose and it's slanted. So I'm going to be making a bunch of these to transfer all of these. I'm not transferring today, just making the media. All right, you know how to make it look cool for y'all. Since I'm here in the daytime, it's technically their night cycle because they're most active at night. But if I was to come at night, the lights would be on like this and they'll look all cool like this. So the sound that you're hearing down here is the shaker actually. So these are the liquid cultures. They grow under this purple UV light. So the liquid cultures will last for a while, but they begin to stop behaving. So they constantly have to be refreshed, but these will last for a few months. So every 2 or 3 months, I transfer every single one of these strains, and it's like 100 and something strains, so that takes forever. That's why I'm not going to do it today. I may do it in another video if y'all want to see that. So this is the agarose. This is what I'm going to add. It's a powder. This is what I'm going to add that's going to make it hard and gel-like. I use agarose to make a couple different things, but it's going to look all jelly like this when it gets hard. So this is something soft. So I could squish this up and, you know, it's just easy to work with. This is what it looks like in here. It's actually not going to dissolve until after it goes in the autoclave. So I did just take the same thing and I split it into 3 separate containers because I don't want it to cool all at the same time. It'll give me more time to work with it because once it starts cooling down, that's when it gets hard. So I want it to be hot as long as possible.
You know I want you so bad. Oh baby, I want to feel your heart and soul.
So that's going to take an hour. So of course I'm going to sit here and do some work, maximize my time. Trying to make sure my gloves are on properly. So now we're under the clean bench. I'm going to prepare it. I'm going to show y'all a little trick how I make my slants. It was actually an undergrad who worked with me like 2 years ago because we used to do something anyway. So I have some 70% ethanol right here. So these trays, I'm going to spray them down. I'm going to spray all this down as well. Wipe down. So you may be wondering, why did I just wipe the side of the clean bench? Like, girl, what are you doing? I'm gonna take the rags. Wait, these racks are gonna go against the wall. I'm gonna tape them up. I'm gonna put the tubes in and auto pipette my hot agarose, and then it's gonna dry at an angle and make my slant.
Deep in the night, you touch my heart. Now danger's inside, and I can't help the way that I feel.
Now I'll tell y'all something funny that happened to me one time. I set all this up right. I had the liquid in the tubes, and the tape came off. Liquid everywhere. So I have to make sure it's real secure.
Make my love come down. Ooh, you make my love come down. Make it go all the way down. Ooh, you make my love come down. Baby, you make my love come down. Ooh, you make my love come down. Make it go all the way down. Ooh, you make
that's it. The slants are in the fridge. They're going to be ready for when I get ready to do the transfers. But if you like this video and you want to see more, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.